Hello, if you want to add a photo to a contact on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, first you need to open the phone app, and go to the contacts, and then you need to find the contact that you want to add the photo to. Keep in mind that you cannot add a photo to a contact that is saved on the SIM card, because they cannot really store those things, like they cannot store images. So if you create a contact, and if you want to make sure that you can add a avatar or a photo, it cannot be saved on the SIM card. It has to be on phone or the Samsung account or Google account. So once we have our contact, we need to tap on it and then press this icon, tap on edit at the bottom, and then over here we have the avatar. We can press on it in order to set something up. Over here we have some pre-made photos or pictures or something. We can also press camera in order to open the camera and take a picture, or we can go to the gallery, and of course in the gallery we can choose our photo, and then we can adjust our photo as well. There we go. And then once we are done with the customization, we can press done, and then we can press save at the bottom, and there we go. Now our contact has a photo. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.